Welcome to the video tutorial about how to export the boundaries to ESurvey Water Interface from CAD using Ayacut module of ESurvey Water. In the previous help videos, you have learned how to prepare survey boundaries, village boundaries, sub-chalk and chalk boundaries. After preparing the drawing with the required boundaries, you should export all the boundaries with the attached information to ESurvey Water Interface. Execute command EXSB to export village survey numbers, including attached information. Execute command EXV to export the village boundary. Run command EXP to export chalk or DP boundary to the ESurvey Water Interface. The exported data files will be stored in the temporary folder C drive/esurvey/temp with the respective file names such as village.info and pocket.info. Thank you for watching this video. In this video, you learned how to export the boundaries to ESurvey Water Interface from CAD. In the next video, you will learn how to import this data to ESurvey Water Interface and prepare Ayacut DPR.